My name is Jason. I am a sushi chef, and I'm working at a catering company, and I've been working there. I've been making sushi for 3 to 4 years now. I was born in Indonesia, and I moved here when I was 3 years old. Then my sister was born right after. I've been living here ever since. When my parents got divorced, we moved to New York when I was 11, and she only had $60 in her pocket, and my mom was a single mother at that time because they got divorced, and it was really hard for her to take care of both of us because we had to go to school and she had to go to work, and it's really hard for her to pick us up from school because she has to earn enough money. At the same time, she has to take care of us, which is very hard back in the day. And as we grew up, it got a little easier because my sister, I get to take care of my sister most of the time, and we grew up together, and we grew up as a strong family, and we help each other, and we learn to adapt to the situations. And so I grew up in a Spanish community, and all my friends are Spanish, and they're very hard workers. They work double jobs. They work overnights, and they try to earn money for their families in their countries. And it's hard for me to see just because in America people work only 40 hours and they earn the same amount as as immigrants that are working for 80 hours a week. Okay, so our current situation, Trump is pretty much changing the country, and a lot of immigrants want to come to this country for a better opportunity, and most of us rebuilt this country. You see in the restaurants, a lot of immigrants work in those restaurants. Well, my opinion is that I believe that his executive orders is not really right because a lot of people want to change for the good, So, and he's basically separating us from this country is known for the diversity between all different countries, and he's separating basically by color is what he's trying to do. Yeah. Hey Mom, I just got out of work. So what time do you want to meet? I'll meet you there. As soon as I have a chance and I have the money, I would go back to my own country, Indonesia, to see my own culture, my own background, to learn where I'm from and my relatives, my families. I want to see them. Because I have no clue where or what they are. I grew up in an American culture.